Well, hello everyone, Larry back with you again, and it is a drizzly, rainy, muggy day here in northwest Alabama. Temperatures in the mid 70s, but I've moved inside today, and what I'm going to be working on is sharpening one of the sawmill blades on the Mizer BMS 25 sharpener. Now here, when I first sawed a log on the sawmill, the first pass I hit one of my log supports with that blade. I sharpened it on this BMS 25, and on my previous video I mentioned that it was the blade that I was sawing that second pine log with, and it really did a good job. So I'm going to be sharpening another blade today, and I want you to join with me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up, and as always, if you will, share it with a friend. But right now, let's get started on this project, sharpening a blade on the Mizer BMS 25. I feel that having the charger on the battery just helps to maintain the battery during the time that I'm grinding the blades. There is some adjustment involved in setting up the grinder, but they're fairly simple, and what you have to do is follow the instructions. The main thing is just making sure that you get the grinding wheel set in the proper orientation, that you've made sure that you have the stone or the grinding wheel groomed properly to fit the gullet of the blade along with the back side of the blade, and then to have your timing proper. And what I'm doing here is grooming the grinding wheel, hopefully shaping the right hand side of the grinding wheel to match the shape of the gullet of the blade, and then rounding over the left hand side of the grinding wheel to help again match the gullet of the blade. And as it makes its movement up and down through the grinding process, the grinding wheel will pretty much match the gullet and does a good job. What I'm doing here is adjusting the turnbuckle so that the grinding wheel will strike the back side of the tooth just enough to put an edge on it and not to take too much material off. You really have to be careful that you don't nick the grinding wheel in the process of making the adjustments, because just a nick or a little bit of a scratch on the grinding wheel could cause a disintegration of the grinding wheel, especially traveling at the speed that it's traveling and making the grind or the cuts on the blade as it is. Okay, I've got a place over here on the wall where I'm putting the sharpened blades, and the place on the other side there is for the dull blades. I've got these three that are sharp now, and those are new blades back there. These are new blades here. These are all the original blades that Nathan at Mizer gave us with the, of course, you know how it is whenever they give you, but anyway, Nathan threw in a box of blades, and all of these are out of that. This is a this is the bimetal blade here, and I'm kind of saving those for maybe a special log or something. But anyway, these are a little more expensive blade, and I am saving those. So there you have it, folks. The Mizer BMS 25 sharpener really does a good job, I think. Thank you so much for joining this video today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. If you will, give us a thumbs up. Hit the little gray bell, ding that so you'll receive future notifications. And guess what? We're over 100 subscribers. Thank you so much for that. I received a notice last week from YouTube congratulating us on being over 100 subscribers. So we're new. Everybody has got to start somewhere, and we're kind of excited about that. I have been mentioning to you a change that's coming. We're still working on that. Stay tuned for that. But until next time, this is Larry. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Have a good one.